Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I just received another package in the mail, and I'm pretty excited to open this. This is from MK BarZ. Most of you probably follow Sal on Salivate Metal, and if you don't, I would encourage you to. He's got a great YouTube channel and has all kinds of engaging and interactive stuff, including some live streams. So if not, head on over there and check him out, Salivate Metal. So last week, Sal had a live stream. He had Michael from MK BarZ on there. And Michael was talking about his operation. He makes silver bars. He makes all kinds of custom stuff. He actually has a full line of silver products that you can go check out and take a look at. Some really interesting stuff, and he does a lot of custom work for people too. And he even said if you're looking for a silver bar for your YouTube channel, that you could email him and he'd work something out with you. Anyway, I'll put the link to both Sal and Michael down in my description, but you need to check them both out. Great resources. You won't be disappointed. So this is my first purchase from MK BarZ. And let's see what I picked up. Alright, let's get this thing open. See if I can get my scissors in here. And there will probably be some invoice information or something in there. So let me pull it out off screen here. Oh yeah, got some good stuff here. So there's my invoice. Here's what I bought. Let's look at some of the paperwork you sent along. Happy holidays from MK BarZ Bullion. And nice little postcard looking thing there. So that's pretty cool. Here's another little postcard. MK BarZ Bullion. Guaranteed to be at least 0.999 hand-poured investment grade silver. Manufactured for you in Los Angeles, California. MK BarZ. So that's Michael. And here's a certificate of authenticity. So that's cool. Love that. And got myself some stickers with the Santa hat. 5 of them here. Awesome, huh? Alright, so on Sal's live stream, Michael offered at the end 20% off any purchase. But the 20% off was just good for a few hours, and then after that, I believe for the rest of the weekend, it was 10% off. And anyone who buys silver knows that a 20% discount is a pretty darn good discount. So I went out there and browsed the site and used that 20% discount to pick up this. And I'm very anxious to see it. So let me get it out of there. There it is. Oh, yes. A Gibson Les Paul. Let me get it out of the wrapper so we can get a better look at it. That thing is very, very cool. Look at that. I'll put it under the guitar cam here in a minute. But we got MK BarZ 999 plus fine silver 1.25 troy ounces. Yeah, this thing's hefty. This thing's got some weight. So let me go ahead and put it over here. Let's take a look at it. Pull it up here. Yeah, look at that. It's got some nice detail on it. There's a pickup and tone knobs over here. Got a pickup over here. Very cool, huh? That is very well done. Very nice. And again, the weight on it is amazing. Here's the lettering on the back. You can see MK BarZ 999 plus fine silver 1.25 troy ounces. Looks like it's antiqued in there. You'll notice a whole lot of antiquing on here. Really didn't need it, I suppose, but the antiquing's done on the back side, so that's cool. Pretty awesome, huh? I like it a lot. So what do you guys think? Pretty nice buy for 20% off, huh? 1.25 troy ounces, nice ounce and a quarter of 999 fine silver. Hope you guys enjoyed the Gibson Les Paul from MK BarZ. Very, very cool piece, and thanks for getting it out so quickly. I got it within just a couple of days, even around the holidays. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do that for me. click that like button as well, that thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate that. And if you're not aware, we are now doing a live stream on Mondays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with Stacking and Prepping. Pop on in over there and have some fun with us on Mondays. Take care, everybody, and remember, let's keep talking bullion.